So I've never done a video actually on detail. Today we're gonna dive into it a little bit more than we would if it was just a flat out tutorial, all right? This video is solely gonna be on detailing, all right? Stay tuned. 360 Divi. 360 Divi. 360. Before we jump right into it, I do want to just show y'all this Stylecraft clipper right here, this Instinct metal backing. All right, this comes out June 1st. This one's clean though, man. This is what I use basically for this demonstration. This clipper right here, as y'all can hear, fully metal. It's dope, man. This is dope. All right, you guys, so before we just jump in and talk about detailing, I do want to talk about just the steps that you have to take just to get a basic fade. All right, for anybody that's new to the channel, beginners, this is your first video. If you so happen to be your first video that you've ever watched from me, we're gonna take it to the basics. All right, you start off with your ball line, okay? Then you go with your lever open, you go with your 1, go with your 2, you go back down, take out whatever is between that 1 and the 2 with the lever open on that 1 guard, flicking out between the 1 and the 2. Then you're gonna soften up that middle line, closing that lever on that 1 guard, and then you're gonna take it out fully with the 0 guard with the lever fully closed. All right, after that, you attack that bottom line. Sometimes you can start with the lever in the middle and then soften it up, soften up that bottom line, and then fully close it in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line, start below the line, flick to the line. And that's how you do a basic fade. That it will come out straight basic. It won't be no oohs and ahs. Ain't gonna be no oohs and ahs. Okay, let's make that clear. All right, that's just a basic fade to get you through if you just want to be basic. But in this video, all right, we're gonna show you how to take it up a notch. You know, you get it? A notch. You see how 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. The notch. No, notch. Take it up a notch. No. Okay, hold on. Wait a minute. When you hear the click, the notches.
Just when I think you've said the stupidest thing ever, you keep talking.
Okay. All right. All right. Okay, that was. I thought that would be a. I thought, you know, my Kendrick Lamar was coming out of me. You know, the bars was happening. I thought that, you know, I just. Yeah. Let's show you guys what a basic fade looks like. So when you detail, you gotta learn where you put your steps. All right, that's the first thing. Having an eye for where you put your steps. Once you know, you could go in and use different guards, right? And just use them as thinning shears. All right, use the clipper basically this way at an angle and just only use these 3 teeth right here. All right, just use it and just knock out and clear out the bolt. So let me just give you guys an example. Let's just say that this is too bulky, all right? What I'm gonna do, and this is a terrible example. This is terrible what I'm about to do to this comb right here. This comb brush, this is terrible. But just think of it like this. If you go in and clear out some of that bulk, it wouldn't look as thick. So that's basically what you're doing, is you're clearing out bulk using the side of the clipper. I don't know whether you guys can see it or not, but it's definitely cleared out compared to it being super flat on this side, boxy looking. But on this side, it's kind of it got that, you know, jaggedness to it. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to put it in terms of where somebody can understand to get the concept. And this is the best way I could do it. But the real best way is to just show you. One of the things that you need to understand before detailing is to pay attention to how the hair grows, because all hair isn't created equal. All right, like you might get a client that comes in and his hair lays best you know, going back towards his ear. You know, you might get that client that his hair grows best you know, going straight down to the temple. everybody is different, and you have to pay attention to how the hair grows in order to detail. So if you're going against the grain and the hair grows at a diagonal, you know, sometimes it won't take it out. So you gotta cut against that diagonal grain. So before you detail, it's best that you understand how the hair wants to lay. That way you could get the best detailing possible. But right now, as you can see, I'm just using like 3, maybe 2 teeths of that blade, and I'm just going into those areas where I see bulk. All right, now there's a lot of bulk in this blend. I'm just being real tedious on which areas I attack. Now, everybody has a barber's eye, and what you may see and what I may see is different, but it's all about taking your time, going in, attacking those areas that you see, and getting it done to the best of your ability. And the clipper doesn't have to be the only thing that you use to detail. You could also use some thinning shears. You could use shears. Also, you could use a razor depending on how good you are with it. It's a lot of tools that you could use to detail. I just choose to use my clipper. So check out the before and after. This is the before. And this is the after, man. It's a big difference, all right? Huge difference, all right? This is where you take your fades and your blends up to a whole nother level. You know what I'm saying? You was down here, but once you really get into detailing, you will take it to a whole nother. And I know it's gonna be some of you guys out there that say, oh, well, Jeezy, you really didn't do too good of a job by putting in your guidelines and taking them out. You really left a lot. Listen, I did that on purpose, all right? I could have blended things out a little bit. I just wanted to give you guys a real visual on how, you know, it would look if you would just half do something. You know what I'm saying? Even your half done job can be stepped up to a whole number. By detailing, all right? It's all in the eye of the beholder. It's what you see, and we all have our own barber's eye. So that's just it, man. This is art at the end of the day. This is your art. Don't let somebody down you if you're in school. Don't let somebody down you. Just keep running your race. Don't let somebody put you down because you're here. You know what I'm saying? Everybody takes time to grow, all right? And your eye is gonna get different. It's just all about how you view things, all right? How well you see things, how well you see the bulk, how well you can use your clippers, all right? Everything takes time, so don't be discouraged, all right? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. If you found this video informative, please hit the subscribe button because I'm always coming with gems. Hit that like button if you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Let me know how you detail. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. I'm out of here. Peace. These clippers is dope though. Let's just. I'm just saying though. Hold on. Before I really get out of here, where the box at though? Clipper is dope, man. Like I said, coming out June 1st. We don't really care about that. It comes with white, that pearl pink. This is clean, man. I might go with that white next, to be honest with you. But I like the clear. I like the clear that it's giving right now. It's giving clear. It's giving right now. Seeing in the inside and seeing in the guts. It's just clean. Stylecraft, keep doing your thing. We out. Peace.